I'm Jason Abraham, and welcome to the Mendota Ranch.
Well, welcome to the Mendota Ranch. So today we've got a bunch of shooters. We're going to run through these shooters this morning. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to see if we can get these guys shooting. Looks like we got some cows right in the dang way. We'll get the cows out of the way and we'll get on the gun run. All right, here, boys, get them. Good job. There you go. Good job. Good hit. Good hit. Good hit. Nice. Good shooting. All right, let's skip some of these and go down here to these three guys. Bunch of muleys. A mule deer still got antlers.
Yeah.
All right. Remember these three under the mesquite tree up here?
Oh, yes, sir. I got you.
Yeah. There you go. Good hit. Yeah. Oh, mag change?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Justin, good job, man.
Thank
for
you,
covering us. We were Winchestered up here.
Right.
See all these dead cedar trees?
Yes, sir.
This is the bullet developed that kills trees that we shoot. Just shoot the trees. There we go. Right there. Good. Hell yeah. That was an awesome shot right there.
Whitetail.
Like it, Whiteys.
Just seen the brown of the back in the brush for a second.
Yeah.
It's like
Right here by the road.
mag change.
All right. So this is the Earp barn. So Wyatt Earp's nephew lived here a few years ago.
All right, I'm good.
All right, right over this hill we got two of them. Be right to the cedar tree. Two blues. There. Dale's shooting the back one, Justin's shooting the front one. Y'all don't cross the paths.
Just making sure we get both of them.
Yeah. Looking good. Yeah, this is fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what everybody says when they come shoot this. Is shooting out a helicopter is awesome. Flying a helicopter is awesome. Seeing the ranch is awesome.
Yeah.
Sensory overload.
Yeah. It's beautiful out here. Ah.
Good job. Good shooting. New calf, bunch of baby calves. Turkeys.
Bunch of turkeys. Now there's baby calves everywhere right now.
Yeah.
Is that a young cows?
Yeah, they're all real young cows. These are all, let's see, there'll be 4-year-old cows now. Oh, one more.
That's a wash.
One more. There we go.
Some redemption.
Made up for it on the second one. 4 bad guys in this draw, all yellow. Whoop. Hold on, we got a bunch of deer coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stop and stand right
Yeah,
there.
dang deer, get out of the way.
Well, that's one,
There.
2 of them little video suckers.
Yeah, they are.
You good?
Yep, go ahead. There we go. There we go. One more. Good. Ooh, I think we missed that last one, huh?
Yeah, I think we did.
Let's go back around and get that son. There we go, one more. Good. Good. Sweet.
We're just saving that for the live.
Man, that is good stuff there. Ting, ting, ting. Nice. Good.
Yeah, I got him. I got it.
Good.
2, 3, 4,
Damn.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it.
Last time I filmed somebody throwing up outside my helicopter, I couldn't even edit it because I was gagging. All right, so here we go. All right, let's see if we can get to the competition.
Yeah, I'm 100%. Got sick both times I've been in a helicopter. And hell, the first time I didn't even drink the night before.
Yeah, so it's not the drinking then.
No, it's definitely not the drinking.
Well, if you ever gonna get sick in a helicopter a windy ass day doing this shit, it'll weed them out.
Yeah.
That wind is getting cold coming in there, isn't it?
Yeah. Might get some rain. Need some.
Yeah. Good. Good. Nice. Good shot. Whew. Nice.
Two for two.
Good hit. Nice. Good job.
He didn't make it. He didn't make it. We had to drop him off. He threw up twice.